Hello guys, now welcome to CSI Etabs 2017 tutorial lessons. Now we start the lesson 2. Lesson 2 describe about the import and export models. The first thing you go to open the Etabs software and then you go to file menu bars and then we import here. There are many files to import and export, but we cannot export without existing models in Etabs. Now I would like to show you how to import the DHF, the file CD models. If the model very complicated to install in the Etabs, you can use the method very easy by drawing a CD model in AutoCAD. Just example, I open the AutoCAD and then I go to the top other menu and then I go select SW isometric here, isometrics, and then I type command or snap. I select the isometric snap. Okay, isometric snap, or we just no need, we just draw a rectangular snap. Yeah, yes, snap. But note, when you draw, you get a point at a coordinate 0, 0 first. So I get a point, I type rectangular 0, 0 first. Yeah. And for example, I draw a complex simple shape. I draw a circle like this, a very light circle. For example, my circle with the diameter 5 meters, 5,000 millimeters. Okay, this is my circle. Okay, and then I copy it to 6 meters. 6 meters. Okay, 6 meters. And then I offset here 1000. Okay, for example like this. For example, I divide the circle into 8. I connect the segment. I connect segment. I connect segment. Another segment. Okay. Connect another segment. I connect another segment. Right. Now we look like this, our models. Okay. Now I can delete it. Okay. Now I save. and then I save as the save as DHF files, and then I save on the desktop. I closed. I go to the file menu bar, click import the file CD models, and then I click on the drawing one, open it. After you import, you must think when you draw in AutoCAD which unit, inch, feet, millimeter, centimeter, or meter. I draw in millimeter, and the first you should click the layer to import, or you select all, or you must select each layer you draw. And in this case, I select the layer 0 because I draw in layer 0. You must think about ignore line shorter than this. Default you mean you concentrated about the gap or line is shorter than 25.4 millimeter. If the program ignore, the program will not import it. I click OK. This is the elevation here at 6 meter. Merge story. Okay. Then I just rename sample. Seven desktop. Okay. Now let's see our model look like in an AutoCAD import. So you can assign material, you can assign section property, whatever you want. But in this video, I just show you how to import and export. Okay, this is extrude the thickness. You can extrude thickness, right? Extrude thickness. This is you can extrude, right? Okay, and then I just export, right? Export to the file. You can export to Etabs, to E2K text, or whatever you want to repeat, or whatever software you want to export. Now I would like to export the XR files. Okay. So the import, you can select the browser you want to export and save it. Now I would like to export storing on desktop. And I create a new folder. Okay, new folder. I rename the sample set. 3D drawing type, you can read it after you generate the AI file. Full 3D model view, column layout, plan, floor plan, column elevation, beam elevation, full frame elevation, typical frame member section. This is, I recommend you full 3D model view, mean the whole 3D view in Etabs, export, and then I generate it. Now you let read it. The XF file creating completed. So you can close, and then you look in the folder here, and then you can open. Right here. If you look the bottom section here, now I go to the 3D view, select here, you can see it. But in this case, the the AutoCAD cannot read the circle beams. In generally, we should create a model in CD in AutoCAD and then import better than you create the model in Etabs and then export to the AutoCAD. Right. Now we finished the lesson 2. So again, let's start to the next video about lesson 3, edit menu bars. Thank you guys.